Here in North County Indian Motorcycle, we have a 2017 Chieftain Limited in color black. The 111 cubic inch Thunderstroke engine and a 6-speed transmission. This bike comes equipped with a Stage 1 and a Stage 2 cam upgrade, an upgraded exhaust, hard lockable saddlebags, a 2-up seat, engine guard, premium audio, GPS, and it has only 8,706 miles. Let's listen to the exhaust. It sounds great. This bike is basically brand new with under 10,000 miles, and it's available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.